Cooking with Miss Quinones. Today I'm going to make homemade mayonnaise. I am making potato salad today as we're grilling outside, and I don't ever buy store-bought mayonnaise for a few years now, so I'm going to show you how easy it is to make your own. So we're going to be using just these ingredients right here. You have an immersion blender as the tool that you'll need to make this, but a few years ago when I started making mayonnaise myself, I did not have an immersion blender, and I was able to make it in just a regular blender. It won't come out as thick as it would using an immersion blender, but it will work. Then you have dry mustard, salt, light or extra light olive oil, 2 eggs, 1 lemon, and that is really all you need to make some excellent tasting mayonnaise. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is put our 2 eggs in here. Okay, we're going to sprinkle a little bit of salt. Again, I'm not measuring, just putting a little bit of salt, and our ground mustard. A few taps of that. So that's the only thing we have in there right now, and now we're adding our extra light olive oil a little bit at a time. Putting that in here. We will eventually use this whole bottle. This is 16 ounces, but we're adding it a little bit at a time. We're going to use our, let's move this out of the way so you can see, this is our immersion blender, and we're going to turn that on low. It starts getting creamy, but it's still pretty liquidy, and we will continuously add the olive oil in a little bit at a time and then turn the blender back on. Starting to get thicker every time I add olive oil. More olive oil. And the last of the olive oil. Now you can see it is pretty thick right now, so the only thing we're going to add is our lemon juice. I'm just going to lay this here on this paper plate to get it out of the way so that I can add the lemon juice. That particular half of a lemon actually put a lot of lemon juice in there, so I don't think I'll use the other half. But it goes to however taste you like. You can put the whole lemon in there if you wanted to. How thick that is right now. Move this out of the way. You have some really thick mayonnaise. So the science of it is that mayonnaise is an emulsion two liquids that could not normally be combined. So, a little research for you to do at home. What is the emulsifier in mayonnaise?